Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create IMO Voice Room Club. You can easily create IMO Voice Room Club, which is a virtual room where you can have voice conversation with multiple users. For this, open your IMO application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your IMO account. Now here you can see your chats. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner. Then tap on your profile name. With this, here you can see your profile details. Now here you can see Voice Club Room. Tap on Create Box. Now here you need to allow IMO to record audio. After you do so, now here you can see a edit box. Now here you can see room name option. You can tap on the given box and enter the room name of your voice club. After this, you can enter the room description. For this, tap on the small pen icon near room description and enter your room description. With this, tap on the tick mark on the top right corner. After you edit the information of your voice room, you can also select a small profile for your voice room. For that, tap on edit option and then you can select any picture. After you edit all the information regarding your voice room, tap on tick mark on the down. With this, now your information regarding your voice room will be created. After this, you can tap on small chair icons and then you can select what the users can do on your voice room. With this, you can also tap on add topic option and enter the topic for your voice room. You can also share your voice room link. For that, you need to tap on a small arrow icon on the top. With this, you can go back by tapping on the cross icon on the top right corner. And then here you can see that the voice room has been created. This is how we can create IMO Voice Room Club. As you can see here, my Voice Room Club Hanat room has been created. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.